In this video, I'll show you how to change the password for your root user and normal user account in Ubuntu using just the terminal. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. To change the password of your own user account, type this command showing on the screen, now press Enter. It will ask you to enter your current password, then a new password, and then confirm it. If both match, your password will be updated. To change the password of another user, like root, you first need to use sudo. Type this command showing on the screen, now press Enter. You'll be asked for your own password first. Then it will ask you to enter a new password for the root user and confirm it again. That's it. So now you know how to change passwords for yourself and for the root account in Ubuntu. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more simple Linux guides. Thanks for watching.